Good afternoon and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. And you know, when you see my niece Kayla here, you know that we are going to be doing a Degustabox. Yay! Right, let's get your face in there so we can do a nice thumbnail picture. Yay! Right, there we go. Right, so Degustabox is a monthly subscription box. It's a box full of treats and snacks and store cupboard ingredients. You'll tend to get the sort of bigger brands. They'll introduce their new flavors and variations in the Degustabox. The box will have about 10 items in there, 10 products in there. As I said, they'll include all sorts of snacks and treats, drinks, that sort of thing. The box costs, oh, how much does it cost now? It costs $14.99 now, but if you use my discount code, which I will put in the description box down below, you will get £5 off your first box. So you'll get your first box for £9.50 or something like that. Alright, I'm going to put this here and then Kayla is going to handle me stuff. Is that the best way to do it? You're going to put it on the floor and make it easy for yourself. Yep. Alright, and then you can handle stuff. Let's get the leaflets out first. So we'll do all of that. So let's see what leaflets we have got. So the first leaflet is from, God, I've got the last one of this. This is from Pepper Juice, Sweet Picante Peppers. These are actually quite nice to put in stews and things. You can even put them in salads. I've actually got I've got one in my fridge at the moment. I don't know if it's from the last time I got it from Degustabox or one I purchased, but it's a product that I do use quite regularly in my foods. Is that the only leaflet?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, that's unusual. We normally get a lot more leaflets than that. All right, let's start. So what we got there, Kayla? We have got, oh, good coffee, good. So this is a refill pack and it's recyclable, new recyclable paper pack, Nescafe Gold, which is all good for me. This is Nescafe Gold Blend, 150 gram paper refill pack. It's worth £5.99. New Nescafe Gold Blend paper refill pouch allows you to enjoy the rich aroma and smooth taste of Gold Blend, now in a fully recyclable paper pouch, available at Tesco's. I think to buy the jar of this, because coffee is really expensive now, instant coffee, it's about £8. So, you know, just getting a refill and it's paper, sustainable, £5.99. That's all good. That's all good. Next, we've got Joyful Choco and Nut Crunchy Muesli. Okay, see, muesli would go down well in my household, but with the chocolate, that's where they spoil it for me. But anyway, this is from Joyful Millet Muesli. I've never heard of this brand before, so it's a new brand for me. Choco and Nut Crunchy. This is worth £4.20. The new super crunchy, super tasty, super good muesli made with mighty millets, a super grain full of natural goodness that packs a crunch. No more soggy bowls. A delicious combination of millets, jumbo oats, brown rice, flakes, flax seeds, cranberries, sliced almonds, and lightly coated in rich cocoa. Actually, sorry, rich choco. That actually doesn't sound that bad. If it hasn't got too much of the sort of chocolate thing in it, I might even go this way, because I'm supposed to be eating more healthier now, and my breakfast just literally contains bagel, a whole wheat bagel and a boiled egg and a cup of coffee. That's my safe breakfast at the moment. This is one of my favourite drinks. I do love a Rubicon. So we've got a Rubicon here. Spring Pink Grapefruit Blood Orange, £1.29. Discover Sippable Sunshine with Rubin Spring's new flavour, Pink Grapefruit Blood Orange. Flavoured sparkling spring water that's low in calories and bursting with fruity flavour, being good, never tasted so great. It's available at all major supermarkets and independent convenience shops. Yeah, this is definitely my drink. I'm going to put that in the fridge too, or freezer, just to chill it down, and I'm probably going to bring it out with me. So that's cool. You can't see you. You're sitting comfortably on the floor there.
Yeah, I feel comfy.
Alright, you're more comfy down there. Okay. Then we've got Dr. Will's All Natural Tomato Ketchup. I think we've had this before as well, and it's okay. This is fine as a ketchup. It's not Heinz. It tastes more...
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Yeah, you didn't like it, I remember. Yeah, it's okay, but if you're expecting Heinz, it's not Heinz. It's just got less sugar in it, if I remember correctly. So this is £4.50. Hate bland sugary ketchup. See, that's it straight away. See red, see the doctor. The sauce that started it all, the classic all-rounder made properly. So they're basically saying this is what it should be like, the original thing. Made with vine-ripened tomatoes and sweetened naturally with dates. This tomato ketchup is full of flavour without the sugar. Dollop, dip and dive in. Slather on chips, use as a pizza base, as a marinade, or add a dollop to your favourite recipe. Our sauces are naturally versatile. And it's available at Waitrose, Co-op, Ocado, Amazon and Dr. Will's website. I think this is something we will have. I know you won't like it, but it'll be eaten in my household. And it says here as well 30% less sugar. So that's, to me, is the difference. It's just got a more wholesome flavour and it's just definitely less sweet. You really taste the difference between that and tomato ketchup, which Heinz tomato ketchup, which is very it's just sugar and
Amazing.
yeah. There you go. Say no more. Right, this is the product of the month. So it's Pepper Dew mild sweet picante peppers. They do these in hot. I know what it is. I bought this by mistake from Ocado, thinking it was the mild one, and it was a hot one. And I can't eat hot food anymore because I get acid reflux. So I'm glad I've got this one now, because this is one I do like. So mild sweet picante peppers, £3.25. These picante peppers have a sweet and tangy flavour with a crunchy texture to provide an exquisite fresh and crisp quality. Each pepper is carefully decored by hand, making them perfect for stuffing. Served on an antipasti platter, or just add in salads, pastas or as a pizza topping. Yeah, so that's all cool. These are the kind of peppers that people put mozzarella in. I've never liked that, but this is the kind of pepper that it is, but I use it in stews and pasta dishes. Cool. Ooh, another drink. What's this?
It's like something.
Okay, this is from Moth. This is something I've never seen before either. It is an Aperitivo Spritz and it's £3.99. Bloody hell. Right, Moth. The most delicious cocktails in a can. For whoever you're with, wherever you are, every Moth serve is created with award-winning spirits and absolute precision. For the taste and strength you get at your favourite bar. Pre-mixed perfection for toasting and hosting at home or on the go. So it's a ready-made, oh yeah it is. It's bitter orange, gin, fizz, soda, bliss, 10% volume. So it's got a kick to it. Hence the £3.99. Okay. Put that in the fridge to chill. Oh, this is something. Yeah, I think I'll be giving this to your mum. Right, this is from Mahoo. Lots of new brands here which I haven't come across before. So this is from Mahoo. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Mahoo 5 Estrellas. £2.50. Madrid's, oh, it's Spanish. Madrid's favourite beer. Founded in Madrid in 1890. Mahoo, is the result of 6 generations of brewing passion. Mahoo uses the finest ingredients to deliver a characteristic body with balanced bitterness and an intense but refreshing 5-star taste. Mahoo is the world's most awarded Spanish lager, and the volume is 4.8%. Okay, so if you're supporting Spain tomorrow in the England versus Spain football final, this is going to be your drink, I'm assuming. So, okay, I'll give this to my sister. I'm sure she'll have it. What we got here? Oh, this is all a bit. Right, so we have got here from BioMe. This is another brand I'm not familiar with. BioMe Flapjack Oat Bar Toffee apple or strawberry or coconut hazelnut. So it's £1.50. What flavour have we got here? So we've got the toffee apple. Okay, good. It's time to raise the bar on tasty. Gut Science, our flapjack oat bars are packed with 9+ different types of plant goodness and contain no added sugar or artificial sweeteners. Available in 3 mouth-watering flavours. Looking after your gut on the go is now easier and tastier than ever. Okay, this is something I would possibly actually available. I know available at Waitrose, Sainsbury's, and the free from aisle, Tesco free from aisle, and in bulk via the BioMe website, and you will get one of these in your box. You'll get one of the 3 flavours in your box. Okay, I think this is something I would eat. I may try out. Anything more?
I think it made me go already.
Oh, you're eating it, are you? See, I don't get a chance. Right, this is from Naked. So Naked Natural Energy Red or Natural Energy Gold. I think my husband will be having this. £1.25. Introducing Naked Natural Energy, crafted from real fruit and infused with caffeine, bursting with 5 essential vitamins and no added sugar. Each sip offers vibrant taste and vitality with a light sparkle and no artificial additives. It's the plant-based energy boost you need without the crash. And it's available at WH Smith's and other independent retailers, and you'll get one of these in your box. Okay, yeah, this is definitely going to go to hubby. So this is the orange, pineapple and mango flavour. How's it go? Nice? No, you don't like it? It's too healthy for you, you see?
Yeah.
Let me taste it. I like it. It's not a dime bar, but it's a healthy alternative. Is that it?
Yeah.
That's it, yeah? That's our box. I think that was a good box, actually. Everything in here will get used at some point. Even the weird and wonderful millet muesli. I'm going to try this one. I'm just hoping they haven't got too much of the chocolate bits in there. But yeah, I'm quite excited to try this one, actually. Very happy to try that. Well, I know I'm going to love that. And that's good. So yeah, I think that was a good box. But again, let me know what you think down below. If you're interested in getting this box, as I said, I have got the discount code down before, so it's a referral code. And if you use my referral code, you will get £5 off your first box. You really didn't like it? I think it's alright.
Yeah. It's like weird. It's not good, but it's not bad.
It's just a healthy flapjack, so I don't mind that. I think you want more chocolate in it, don't you?
No, I don't like chocolate.
You don't like... Oh, okay. Do you like flapjacks?
Yeah.
You do? Okay. I'm surprised you don't like that one. That's nice. I actually don't mind it at all. Right, that's it, guys. Have a great weekend, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.